Question. Which organization's meeting was recently held in Jammu, focusing on National Archives? Option A. National Historical Records Commission. Option B. Archaeological Survey of India. Option C. National Committee of Archives. Option D. Indian Council of Historical Research. The correct answer is National Committee of Archives. Question. Which state is set to establish the country's first ultra-edge tech-based semiconductor plant? Option A. Karnataka. Option B. Maharashtra. Option C. Chhattisgarh. Option D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Question. Which of the following countries has China been strengthening ties with, particularly with an eye on potential shifts in US policy? Option A. Russia. Option B. Brazil. Option C. Germany. Option D. France. The correct answer is Brazil. Question. Which country is Maharashtra collaborating with to develop thorium-based small modular reactors? Option A. United States. Option B. France. Option C. Russia. Option D. United Kingdom. The correct answer is Russia. Question. Which international organization is involved in setting global standards for a carbon tax on shipping? Option A. International Monetary Fund. Option B. United Nations. Option C. World Trade Organization. Option D. International Maritime Organization. The correct answer is International Maritime Organization. Question. According to the recent Supreme Court ruling, within how many months should the President decide on bills reserved for consideration by the Governor? Option A. 1 month. Option B. 2 months. Option C. 3 months. Option D. 6 months. The correct answer is 3 months. Question. In which state will India's first gallium nitride (GaN) chip plant be established? Option A. Tamil Nadu. Option B. Karnataka. Option C. Chhattisgarh. Option D. Telangana. The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. Question. Which organization honored Chandigarh for topping in child Aadhaar enrollment at a national event? Option A. Niti Aayog. Option B. UIDAI. Option C. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Option D. National Informatics Center. The correct answer is UIDAI. Question. Which Indian was recently named a UN SDGs Global Champion for Peacebuilding and Development in Northeast Nigeria? Option A. No Indian was mentioned in the news. Option B. The Governor of Borno State in Nigeria was mentioned. Option C. An official stationed in Nigeria. Option D. A representative from Ngo. The correct answer is no Indian was mentioned in the news. Question. Which exercise recently concluded on the eastern seaboard, focusing on humanitarian assistance and disaster relief between India and the US? Option A. Malabar. Option B. COP India. Option C. Tiger Triumph. Option D. Yuddha Abhyas. The correct answer is Tiger Triumph. Question. What is the name of India's first satellite which is celebrating its golden jubilee? Option A. Bhaskara. Option B. Rohini. Option C. Aryabhat. Option D. Apple. The correct answer is Aryabhat.